Wake up. Time is moving fast, and every second you wait is a chance lost. Life does not wait for anyone, and English will not learn itself. If you keep delaying, you will always stay in the same place. Start now, because tomorrow may already be too late. Think about the days you have already lost doing nothing. You said, "I will start tomorrow," but tomorrow never came. The truth is, your life is running while you are standing still. Wake up and move, because your future is asking for action. Learning English is not just about words and grammar. It is about opening doors and changing your destiny. With English, you can travel, work, and speak to the world. Without it, you will always be limited to small opportunities. Time is not your friend when you are lazy. Every day you refuse to study, someone else is improving. And when you finally want the chance, it may already be gone. Wake up before regret becomes your daily language. You have two choices: continue sleeping or start rising. If you sleep, you will wake up 5 years later in the same place. If you rise, you will build a new life step by step. The clock is ticking. Choose wisely now. English is not difficult when you are consistent. 10 minutes every day can transform your life. But if you wait for the perfect day, it will never arrive. Start small, but start today. Every second is like a coin. You can spend it or waste it. If you spend it on English, you invest in your future. If you waste it, you give away your chance to grow. Do not let your life be empty because of excuses. Excuses are the enemies of your success. I am tired. I don't have time. I'll start later. These words are lies that keep you trapped. Wake up and fight back with action, not with words. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. Will you still be saying, "I can't speak English"? Or will you be confident, speaking clearly and strong? The answer depends on the choice you make today. You're not too late if you start now. Every expert was once a beginner, just like you. They were not smarter. They were more consistent. Consistency beats talent when time is running. The clock never stops. Right now, while you read this, time is leaving you. You can sit and watch it disappear, or you can run with it. The choice is heavy, but the result is freedom. English is not just a subject, it is a survival tool. It can give you better jobs, better income, better life. But you will not have these if you keep waiting. Waiting is the same as giving up slowly. Look in the mirror and ask yourself honestly, are you proud of the time you are wasting? Do you feel good saying, "I'll start tomorrow"? No. You feel the pain of regret in your heart. Pain is real, but it can be useful. The pain of discipline is small compared to the pain of regret. Studying English daily is hard, but living without it is harder. Choose the pain that gives you power, not weakness. Discipline is your alarm clock. It wakes you up when your mind wants to sleep. It pushes you forward when your body wants to stop. With discipline, you will win against time. Many people say, "I am not good at languages." That is a lie you tell yourself to stay comfortable. Children, adults, and old people can all learn. The only difference is effort and practice. Wake up to the truth. English is not an option anymore. It is a necessity for work, travel, and knowledge. Without it, you are like a bird without wings. You can live, but you will never fly. Think about the opportunities you already lost. A job interview, a conversation, a trip abroad. All of them passed because you were not ready. Do you want to lose the next one too? Fear is another enemy. You fear mistakes, you fear speaking, you fear failing. But mistakes are proof that you are trying. Failure is not the end. It is the first step to success. You are in a battle every day. The battle is not against English. It is against yourself. Your comfort zone is your prison, but you have the key. The key is discipline, action, and urgency. Imagine being able to travel without fear of speaking. Imagine watching movies without subtitles. Imagine working in a global company. All of this is possible if you act now. But do not just imagine. Work for it. Dreams without action are only illusions. Action is the bridge between someday and today. Cross that bridge before it disappears. Your future self is watching you. He is asking, "Why didn't you start earlier?" Do not give him a reason to hate you. Start now, so your future will thank you. Do not look for motivation only. Look for habits. Motivation is fire, but habits are fuel. Fire dies without fuel, but fuel keeps burning forever. Build habits that carry you when motivation is weak. 10 minutes today, 20 minutes tomorrow. Day by day, your English will grow like a tree. The tree starts small but becomes strong with time. But if you never plant, you will never harvest. Every time you waste 1 hour on social media, you are giving away 1 hour of your dreams. English will not learn through scrolling and liking. It learns through focus, repetition, and practice. Your excuses sound smart, but they are lies. I am too busy. I am too tired. I am too old. These are only stories to keep you safe in failure. Stop telling stories. Start writing your future. The English language is waiting for you. It will not come into your brain by accident. It waits for your effort, your time, your practice. Wake up and go to it before time runs out. Some people wake up early, study, and grow. Others sleep late, complain, and stay the same. Who do you want to be, the grower or the complainer? The answer is written in your daily actions. Life rewards those who move. Life punishes those who wait too long. Time is the judge, and the clock never lies. What are you doing with your minutes today? Every day is a new chance to begin. Again. But chances do not wait forever. They disappear. If you skip today, you make tomorrow weaker. Wake up and use today before it is gone. English is not about perfection. It is about progress. You will make mistakes, but that is how you grow. If you fear mistakes, you will never speak. Speak, fail, learn, and repeat until you succeed. Do not compare your level with others. Compare your today with your yesterday. If you are better than yesterday, you are winning. That is the only race. That matters. Wake up from the illusion of easy success. There is no magic pill for English, no instant results. But there is magic in consistency. Small steps daily. That is how real progress is made. Some people say, "I don't have time," but they watch hours of series and videos. The problem is not time. It is priority. Make English your priority, and time will appear. When you wake up early, your mind is fresh. Use the morning to study, and the day becomes stronger. 10 minutes in the morning can change your future. Start the day with English, not with excuses. Do not underestimate small actions. One new word each day means 365 new words a year. Small steps create big changes if you keep moving. Wake up and take the first step now. Every success story has the same element: urgency. They did not wait. They acted when others delayed. You can do the same with English if you move now. Do not let hesitation steal your chance. There is no perfect time, only now. If you wait for the right moment, you will wait forever. Now is the only moment you really own. Wake up and use it before it disappears. English is your ticket to freedom. Freedom to travel, to connect, to grow, but tickets expire if you do not use them. Do not waste yours. Board the train today. Success is not a mystery. It is a choice. Every day you choose to act or to delay. Every choice builds your life step by step. Wake up and choose progress today. Your comfort zone feels safe, but it is a trap. It keeps you small, weak, and afraid. Growth lives outside where effort and risk exist. Step out before your comfort zone becomes your coffin. Do not wait for motivation to knock on your door. It rarely comes, and when it comes, it leaves fast. Instead, create discipline and habits that last. That is the real secret to success. Learning English is not just study. It is practice. Speak, listen, repeat, and do it daily. Do not hide in books only. Use the language in life. Action creates fluency, not just theory. Time is a river that never stops flowing. You cannot touch the same water twice. Use the water while it passes, or lose it forever. Wake up, because your river is moving fast. Every master was once embarrassed. They spoke badly, made mistakes, felt afraid. But they kept going until fear became strength. Do the same, and English will be yours. Wake up and stop being a prisoner of fear. Fear steals dreams, but courage builds them. Even a small act of courage each day changes you. Choose courage today, and fear will fade tomorrow. You say, "I will do it later," but later becomes never, and never becomes regret. Regret is the heaviest weight to carry. Avoid it now by acting immediately. Opportunities will not wait for you. They come and pass quickly like a train. If you are not ready, you will miss the ride. Wake up and prepare before it arrives. Wake up, because time is running out. Not next year, not next month, not tomorrow. Right. Now is your chance to transform. Act today or lose the moment forever. Do not think, "I am too old to learn." The brain grows with practice at any age. English is not about age, it is about consistency. Start where you are, with what you have now. Do not envy others who speak fluently. They paid the price with time and practice. You can reach the same level if you pay too. The cost is effort, but the reward is freedom. Every time you open your book, you win. Every time you listen in English, you grow. Every time you practice, you build confidence. Small wins daily become great victories later. Procrastination is a thief. It steals your dreams quietly, day after day. Do not let it rob you anymore. Fight back with urgency and action. English will not come by accident. It comes by repetition, exposure, and time. You must push yourself, even when it is boring. Boring practice today means exciting results tomorrow. Do not wait until you feel ready. You will never feel completely ready. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is action with fear. Start scared, and soon you will feel strong. Wake up to the reality. Life is short. You do not have unlimited time to waste. Each day is a page in your story. Write it with action, not excuses. English connects you to the world. It is the key to information, culture, and opportunity. Without it, doors will stay closed in front of you. Do you want closed doors or open roads? Do not just study. Live English. Change your phone to English. Think in English. Practice with music, movies, and conversations. Immerse yourself, and the language will grow in you. Your brain is stronger than you think. It can adapt, learn, and remember with repetition. Do not doubt your ability to learn. Trust the process and keep going. Some people start and stop, start and stop. That is why they never succeed. Winners are not faster. They are consistent. Stay in the game until the game is yours. Wake up to your power. You are capable of more than you imagine. English is not your enemy. It is your tool. Use it to create a life beyond limits. The only person stopping you is you. Not your age, not your country, not your job. It is your decision to act or to wait. Decide now, because time is not waiting. Regret is painful, but discipline is powerful. Choose discipline daily, and regret will disappear. Every small step builds your future. Do not trade your future for small comfort. Remember, action creates confidence. Confidence does not come first, it comes later. You grow strong by moving, not by waiting. So move, even when you feel weak. Wake up because the world is moving forward. If you stay still, you are moving backward. Do not let the world leave you behind. Run with it by learning English now. Every day you have two voices. One says, sleep, wait, relax. The other says, wake up, move, act. The one you obey will control your life. Do not be a victim of time. Be a master of time by using it well. Every hour you invest in English is an hour of power. Spend your time like gold, not like trash. Wake up, because time is running out. Your future is calling, but will you answer? If you do nothing, the call will be lost. If you act now, your future will shine. This is your moment. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, today. Wake up, take control, and build your life. Because time is running, and it will not wait.